Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create cinematic AI videos using Kling AI. So if you want movie style shots, smooth motion and realistic scenes generated automatically, this tutorial is going to walk you through the basics. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on klingai.com. Over here, the first thing that you need to do is to simply sign up with the help of your email address or your Google account. Once you are inside, you will see the option of video generation here on the home page. So this is the section where you can create your cinematic scenes. Now, when you click on it, it is going to show you image to video or text to video. So you just have to select any one of these. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be clicking on the option of the text to video. So here, with the help of text to video, you can just give it a simple prompt and it is going to generate the video for you. Here to make sure that the videos option is selected. Now you just have to start giving it the prompts. You can describe the scene clearly, including the camera angle, the lighting, the style and the mood. For this purpose, for the prompt writing, you can also seek help from ChatGPT or any other AI. For example, let's say I want to give it this particular prompt. Here you can choose the standard version. You can select the video duration. After that, we have the option of resolution, and in the output, you can select how many output you wanted to give you of this single particular prompt. So once you are done, simply click on the option of generate. Then it is going to take some time and give you the video in front of you. If you don't like this particular video, you can just simply make changes into the prompt, or you can just simply change the prompt entirely and then click on the option of generate. You need to keep on doing this until you get your desirable video. Once you have your video ready, simply click on that, and when you like it, simply click on the option of download in order to download this in your PC. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.